When it comes to house hunting, there are hundreds of options on the market to choose from. Bungalows, flats, two-storey homes, the list goes on. But with the amount of three-storey homes available on the rise, you may be left wondering, is a three-storey home right for me? In this video, we will take you through all of the benefits of three-storey living, from increased interior spaces to lower energy bills. It comes as no surprise that three-storey homes offer additional flexibility. With the added space of the third floor, the world is your oyster when it comes to personalisation. Whether you choose to create a den for your teenagers, a chic home office with an inspirational Zoom background, or a savvy stock room for your run-from-home business, a three-storey home gives you the flexibility to personalise your space to suit you and your family's needs. More space offers further benefits than just flexibility. With busy families, moments of privacy may be unheard of, but with an additional top floor to play with, a tranquil bedroom is actually attainable. Whether you use your additional floor to give your older children some space, or as an isolated area to treat your guests like royalty, a third floor offers a new level of privacy to be appreciated by all. Besides the benefits of space and privacy, three-storey homes also offer money-saving qualities. Three-storey homes are considered to be more energy efficient than other build styles, thanks to the shared walls which make them more economical to heat. Alongside being more energy efficient, three-storey homes can also be a cost-effective way to secure extra square footage across the 3 floors. This can also help you to achieve more bang for your buck if you're looking at upsizing. Plus, an additional floor allows homeowners access to more space than two-storey homes, which can be used for hobbies, working from home, or even a yoga room. Three-storey homes often come with unique architectural designs, meaning your abode will make a strong visual statement from face value. A unique design can often add curb value to your property, helping it stand out in a saturated market if you ever choose to move on. When living as a family, sound isolation is an important factor to consider in a home. Whether you have an early riser turning on the TV at 7 AM, or your teenager loves to be on the phone until late every evening, a quieter home is key for relaxation and sleep quality. Thanks to the separation of living spaces across 3 floors, three-storey homes can contribute to better sound isolation overall, so you'll have silent nights at last. There you have it. With a range of benefits provided by three-storey homes, are you ready to see how the three-storey life could work for you? Why not check out one of our show homes? Please visit the link in our description below to find out more.